Yeah. Overslept for too long, time that I put on now. Here for the throne, I'm taking niggas' crowns now. This a first round knockout, man, they down for the count now. Bodied on the floor, what you gotta say now? Gotta represent my city, hold it down for Chi-Town. Flow cold, hit a nigga like a bullet from the K round. Really spitting in my city, can't nobody hold me down. Niggas be like, where you been? We ain't heard you in a while. I've been grinding, I've been hustling, I've been trying to get my paper straight. 25 to life in the trunk, down the interstate, watching for the 5-0, riding in my Tahoe. When I got your hoe right here, rolling my drove. Damn, that was cold. Well, it's a cold world. Y'all think y'all gangsters, niggas, come and step into my world with killers and gorillas and these niggas that don't give a fuck. Been hanging on the corner, stirring shit up since a young buck. We wildin' and we getting in, money piling and we spinning it. The niggas thought I failed. Now I tell them that I'm winning. Bitch, put my heart out on these verses, every lyric, every line. Everyone said that I'll make it's just a matter of time. But I can't wait any longer, coming kicking through the door. Make these jealous niggas envy, knowing that I'm about to blow. They like, why you do them nasty? You just shitted on them niggas and the competition. What? Man, I'm killing all them niggas. Niggas hollering they want beef. Then we squeezing on them triggers as I'm downing on the liquor. Man, the flow keep getting sicker. Who'd have thought I ever do this? Still remaining as a truest from the heights to the shop. You already know I do this, putting on for my city, cause it's been slept on. About to take them all to war, gonna tell them that it's on. I'ma buy them on the ride, I wanna leave them all afraid. Smoke them niggas one by one, Joe, like I Johnny Blaze, That's how the fuck you do it, boy.